Good morning, primary school. This is iNews. It's Friday, November 23rd, and also Flossing Day. Your teeth, that is, I'm Theo. And I'm Henry. Here are your morning announcements. This morning there will be a upper primary assembly which will be hosted by Studio 5. Please be in the NPR and seated to begin assembly promptly at 9:50. Check out the seating chart on MyISHCMC. Studio 4 and 5 math competition during period 1 to period 5 will take place in the meeting room. Currently, the school is in 3rd place. Whoa, so proud of all of your efforts. Hope you are having fun with math and can continue to earn points to keep us in the top 3. If you have your login details, you can play over the weekend. Go ISHCMC! Hey primary students, are you birding DJs? Who wants to show their talents? There are a couple of slots left at the bazaar on Saturday. Please email Mr. Graham if you are interested, or come and speak with Mr. T. U11 Football Players, please return your football uniforms as the SISAC tournaments finished 2 weeks ago. Please return uniforms, boys team, girls team, boys C team, as soon as possible. Tickets for Aladdin are on sale in the primary office today. Cost is $150. Performances are held Wednesday and Thursday next week at 6 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. Today is Teacher Appreciation Day. This is the day to say a special thank you to all those teachers who do so much for us. Teachers do more than teach. They listen to us when we have problems. They hug us when we fall down. They help us find our belongings when we lose them. And they make us laugh. How will you make your teacher feel special today? To all the teachers out there, thank you.
Silly, funny, caring, nice, mindful, energetic, extraordinary, amazing, enthusiastic, helpful, generous, amazingly awesome, unicorn, likable, kind,
reminder that the ISHCMC Festival Bazaar will take place tomorrow from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. Makerspace during morning recess today is for grades 1, 2, and 3 students. Joke of the day: why won't the elephant use the comforter? Why? He's afraid of the house. Random fact of the day: snakes can predict earthquakes. Mindfulness quote of the day is: mistakes are proof that you are trying. That's it for today's morning announcement. Have a fantastic Friday.